Can we allow a group of people to do the illegal business of coal at the cost of the state? These are pertinent questions which this House will have to answer. The constituency which I represent, Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, lies on the highway. If the government says that there is no illegal mining, it will be very difficult for me as the representative of my constituency. It will be very difficult for the people of my constituency to say that there is no transportation of coal. We see it every day on the road. The only question is, how much out of those hundreds of trucks that ply through the highways, how much is legal and how much is illegal? This is the question that everyone in the state would like to know. So my salutation again to the coal merchants for providing employment to our people, especially after the NGT ban. But I believe the state government will be able to come up with the scientific mining policy for the benefit of the state, for the benefit of the exchequer of the state, to expedite the process of bringing the mining policy which is in sync with the NGT requirements.